Hello dear students, we were doing chapter bank reconciliation statement. So in previous classes we have learned about case 1 and case 2, means we have learned how to prepare bank reconciliation statement when passbook balance is given or cash book balance is given. So today we will be continuing this chapter by learning case 3 and case 4. So in case 3, when starting balance is credit, that is overdraft. Overdraft is also called unfavorable balance as per cash book is given. So when overdraft balance or unfavorable balance as per cash book is given, we make changes to passbook. Okay, we make changes in passbook. Clear? Like case 2. So case 3 is equivalent to case 2. Clear? Whatever you used to do in case 2, you will apply same concept in case 3. Clear? And in case 4, when starting balance is debit, that is overdraft balance as per bank statement or bank passbook is given. So that time what you will do, you will make changes in cash book, same like case 1. Clear? So case 4 is equivalent to case 1 and case 3 is equivalent to case 2. So based on this we will solve questions. So students, now we will do one question of case 3, that is starting balance is credit, that is overdraft balance as per cash book. So as I have said you, that case 3 relates to case 2, that is we need to make changes in passbook, making cash book constant. Then is the bank column of cash book as on 31st March 2020 showed an overdraft of rupees 1,80,000. Prepare bank reconciliation statement taking the following into account. So the overdraft balance, that is the overdraft balance as per cash book is given how much? 1,80,000, and we have to consider this changes and we can prepare now bank reconciliation statement. Clear? So what we will do, we will make changes in passbook. So the first one is checks deposited into bank but entry is not passed in the cash book. Check deposited into bank means it is increased in bank but in cash book it is not increased. Okay, means it is not recorded. When we deposit check, what happens? The balance of passbook increases. Clear? So passbook balance is increased already. So the passbook balance is already increased, but the cash book balance there is no entry. So we have to make change. Since we have to make changes in passbook, so what we need to do? We need to decrease the balance of passbook. So you can see that checks in less column we have shown checks deposited into bank but no entry is passed in cash book is decreased. 3,000. Clear students? I think it is clear to you why it is less. So the next entry is checks received and entered into cash book but was not sent to bank. Check received and entered in cash book means our cash book is increased. When check is received, what happens? The cash book increases. So we have already increased the cash book, but there was no end, means it was not sent to bank. Not sent to bank means the entry is not passed in passbook. So what we need to do? We need to add in passbook. So that is the thing, that adjustment number 2, that is checks received and entered in cash book 10,000 is increased in bank reconciliation statement. You can see check received and recorded in cash book but not sent to the bank 10,000. Clear? Now number 3, electricity bill paid directly by the bank understanding instructions was not recorded in cash book. Means electricity bill was paid by bank, so it was deducted from bank but it was not recorded in cash book. Clear? Means in passbook the balance was decreased but in cash book there was no entry. So what we need to do? We need to add back in cash book, because we are matching the amounts of passbook with cash book, so it is already decreased in passbook, so we have to match with passbook. Since we have to match the balance of passbook with cash book, we need to add back this amount in passbook. That is the reason you can see electricity bill paid directly by the bank comes in add column, that is 5,000 is added. Clear? And the last one, bills receivable directly collected by the bank. Bills receivable directly collected by the bank means bank balance is increased. So here you can see the passbook balance is increased. Clear? But balance is increased, but you can see that the cash book there was no entry. So what we need to do here? We need to decrease the passbook balance. So you can see here bills receivable directly collected by bank is decreased in bank reconciliation statement. So same, so now no entry is left. So what we'll do, we'll add this add columns. So 10,000 plus 5,000, 15,000. So we'll add with this balance 1,80,000 plus 15,000, 1,95,000. And here in 1,000 and 3,000, 23,000. So if it is deducted from here, so how much you will get? 1,72,000. So this is the overdraft balance as per bank passbook debit. So this way case 3 questions are done. Now we'll see one question of case 4. So students, now we'll do one question of case 4. So case 4 is when starting balance is debit, that is overdraft balance as per passbook. So when overdraft balance as per passbook is given, we make changes in cash book. Same like case 1. So case 4 relates to case 1. Clear students? So the question is, on 31st December 2019, the bank passbook of Rahul showed an overdraft of rupees 7,700. On the basis of the following particulars, prepare bank reconciliation statement. So the first adjustment is checks paid into bank, but a check amounting to rupees 2,600 has not been collected yet. Means checks were paid into bank. When checks are paid into bank, we expect that our bank balance is increased. Clear? So what happens? A check amounting to rupees 2,600 has not been collected yet. Means the checks amounting to rupees 2,600 has not been collected by the bank. So the passbook is decreased by amount 2,600. Means it is not. This amount is not added in bank. So, but in cash book we have considered this. Means in cash book we have added. So we are matching the cash book with passbook. Means we are making changes in cash book. So if passbook is decreased with that 2,600 amount, so what we'll do? We'll also decrease in cash book with 2,600. So you can see that here checks deposited into bank but not collected 2,600 is mentioned in less column. Clear students? Now next entry. Interest on loan amounting to rupees 554 directly debited by the bank was not recorded in the cash book. Directly debited means it was directly decreased by the bank. Debited by bank means decreased by the bank. So it was decreased by the bank, but it was not decreased in cash book. So what we will do? We need to decrease in cash book as well. So that is the reason you can see interest on bank loan debited by bank 554. Clear? Next one. A debtor deposited rupees 4,800 directly in the bank, but the information was not received. Means a debtor deposited the money in the bank, that is 4,800 is increased in bank, but it was not recorded in cash book. Means it was increased in passbook, but in cash book it was not increased. So we are making changes in cash book, so we need to increase in cash book. So you can see that in add column we have written directly deposited by the customer 4,800. And the last one, bank charges of rupees 1,000 was not recorded in the cash book. Bank charges means some of the charges which are deducted by the bank. So bank has already deducted 1,000 from passbook, but see here from passbook it was already deducted, but in cash book no entry is made. So we need to deduct from cash book also. So that is the reason you can see bank charges charged by the bank is decreased. That is 1,000 is decreased. Now all the adjustments are done. Now we'll make the total. So in add column there was only one amount 4,800. So we'll take to the outer column. So we'll add with 7,700. So we'll get 12,500. Then here we'll add 2,600, 554 and 1,000. We'll add these three. That is 4,154. So we'll deduct from this 12,500. So we'll get 8,346. So this is overdraft balance as per cash book credit. So this way case 4 question is done. So we have learned how to prepare bank reconciliation by case 1, case 2 which was done in previous classes, and today we have learned case 3 and case 4. So this way we have completed this chapter. So I'll be giving you question that you have to do in your copy. Thank you students.